guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Daria, I'm an artist and I paint on clothes. And this is my mannequin Brett, my work body. And in this video I will imagine that Selena Gomez asked me to paint for her hoodie. And you know why? Because in one of my previous videos I created t-shirt inspired by Billie Eilish music videos. I painted black dripping paint and spiders on it. And I named this video Painting T-shirt for Billie Eilish to get people interested to click on it. And then I thought that maybe it would be a great idea to create a video series in which I will paint clothes for celebrities inspired by their style or music videos or something else. And here I am. And for this video, for inspiration, I took this photo of Selena Gomez wearing pink sweater with a unicorn on it. And Selena loves pink color. So I think that she would love to wear pink hoodie with a unicorn painted on it. So let's create the most adorable hoodie for the most adorable Selena. One moment. Brett, you will look beautiful in pink. Let's begin. And here is a very quick sketch I drew, and this way I will paint unicorn on the hoodie. And first I sketch unicorn with white fabric paint, and then I will use white fabric paint to create an undercoat. And with this video I also want to show you that with fabric paints you can paint not only on the white clothes and black clothes but on the colorful clothes too. And all you need is white fabric paint to create an undercoat and to cover the color of fabric. I paint the background to see the shape of the unicorn better, and I paint it with blue and purple colors. I use a hairdryer to dry an undercoat. And now I will paint unicorn with colors, and for shadows I will use blue, purple, brown, black, and for lights I will mix blue and white colors. And I love to paint horses, and this is my second design with horse. I have also a video on my YouTube channel painting Pegasus on a t-shirt, and if you haven't watched this video yet, check it out. So beautiful t-shirt I painted. And now I paint unicorn, and this hoodie will be so cute. And if you are new here, maybe you are thinking spiders, black dripping paint and unicorn on the pink hoodie? Yes, I love to paint different things. Sometimes I want to paint spiders and snakes and roaring tigers and skulls, and sometimes I want to paint something cute like unicorns, flowers, butterflies, bunnies. I just don't have any limitation. I paint what I want. And what about you? What do you like the most? Cute things like flowers and unicorns and pink color, or do you like more scary things like skulls and snakes and spiders and black color? Write me in the comments below what kind of designs you would like to see on my channel. And now it's the final part of painting. I paint details, and all the artists love to paint details. It's kind of relaxing part of painting, I can say. The part when you are happy with the result, but you just want to make it perfect. And now I'll use silver color for horn of the unicorn, and this color is so beautiful. Even you can't see now how it's shining. Believe me, it shines so beautifully in the sun. And now I add a bit more background. And now you think that painting is finished, but no, I want to add one more detail. As you can see, I didn't paint unicorn in rainbow colors, so I want to paint two butterflies flying near the unicorn in rainbow colors. I want to paint them, so I think these butterflies will make this design even more adorable. So let's do it! And the process is same, first an undercoat, then colors. I'm wondering what Selena Gomez would say about this video. Like, it's so strange. I paint for her hoodie and she doesn't even know about it. But what can I do? I would love to create clothes for celebrities, but nobody knows me. But it shouldn't stop me, should it? So if you want to see me creating hand-paint clothes for Beyoncé, Taylor Swift, Ariana Grande and many other celebrities, stay tuned. And now I splatter white fabric paint to add a bit magic, and also I paint a couple of shining stars. And painting is finished! Spiders or unicorns? What would you say if you would see such couple on the street? Perfect match! Hit the like button to support my art, and if you are new here, definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye!